Catherine voit le cheval se tomber. Là, on voit vraiment dans son visage qu'elle a été étonnée par la scène. Mais je ne joue pas de jeu avec eux, je n'essaie pas de les mettre dans des situations pour qu'ils se révèlent, pour qu'ils révèlent quelque chose à l'intérieur d'eux. Je les laisse simplement se révéler eux-mêmes dans le film.
Yeah, I was wondering, does this young actress, did she already have an experience, or was it her first experience in a feature?
This was Florence's first lead role. She was 19 when she made this film. I'd seen her in a film called The Falling, directed by Carol Morley, and she played a part for about half an hour in that as a supporting role.
She's amazing.
She's very good, isn't she? I think she's going to be... she's now shooting with Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. So we have to say goodbye to her.
Should have worked.
It's called Fighting With My Family. It's a film about the wrestler, Paige, somebody, WWE. So it's quite good to go from this to playing a wrestler. I mean, it's quite good.
Oui, c'est son premier rôle principal. Elle avait 19 ans au moment du tournage. Elle avait fait...
She played in The Fallen?
The Falling.
The Falling, okay. Carol Morning.
Carol Morning.
Before that.
Yeah.
Elle avait joué dans The Falling de Carol Morning avant ceci. Et là maintenant, elle fait un nouveau film qui s'appelle The Rock avec Dwayne Johnson. Donc elle change complètement de personnage puisqu'elle va jouer le rôle d'un boxeur, d'un catcheur.
Moi, je voulais savoir quelles étaient vos inspirations filmiques.
I really like Dogtooth by Yorgos Lanthimos. This film is one of my favourite films. I like Funny Games by Michael Haneke. What else do I like? It's very difficult to say. Happiness by Todd Solondz. I like this film. They're all quite dark films, probably, but it's, I find them very funny. That's all.
J'aime beaucoup Dogtooth de Yorgos Lanthimos, Funny Games de Michael Haneke et Happiness Todd Solondz. Ce sont des films assez sombres, mais auxquels je trouve un certain humour.
Je voulais dire tout simplement merci pour ce film. J'ai vu quelques spectacles à Moscou d'après ce livre et j'ai pu comparer un tout petit peu votre vision de ce roman avec ce que j'ai vu au théâtre. Et franchement, cette froidité, cette manque des moments expressifs, j'ai beaucoup aimé ça. Pour moi, c'était très intéressant parce que au théâtre russe, c'est très expressif, tout le monde crie, il y a beaucoup de passion, beaucoup des émotions. Et ici, c'est tellement froid, mais moi, j'ai beaucoup aimé. Pour moi, c'était l'autre regard, l'autre lecture de ce livre. Voilà. Et peut-être que la question c'est pourquoi cette froidité, juste un peu plus d'explications.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I think there's a general fear in the UK of what we would call, well, like melodrama is a dirty word. You know, this is like you never want to. I think there's some very, very good melodramas, but I think that every actor is afraid of sort of histrionics, basically. I would say that's probably what they don't want to. It also just felt the way that Alice wrote it felt very, very sparse. There was a real sort of austerity of emotion in this world, a real austerity of language. Language was really stripped back, and therefore actually it didn't take very much to express. What I love about what Florence did, for example, is that I felt that certainly at the end, in that moment where Sebastian comes in and says, we did it, you can just see in her face all of the thoughts that are going through her head. She's thinking, he's breaking up with me in public, and I can't reveal what I truly feel. He's also confessing to the crime, and I have to now think very quickly how I'm going to get out of this, and then I also have to work out what I'm going to do to save my life in this situation. But I feel like you can see all of those thoughts going on, and so in a way, it was clear. And this is something I've learned going from theatre to film, is that on theatre you would need to show that through the whole body, and I think most of the time that actors train to actually show that sort of emotional life through the whole body. But with this, the camera is here, you know, so actually you want to just be able to, if the thoughts are clear, I think it just transmits.
Le mélodrame en Angleterre, c'est pas très bien vu, donc c'est peut-être ça le parti pris d'austérité. Mais voyez quand la scène finale, quand Sébastien rentre dans la pièce et dit c'est nous qui l'avons tué, on voit dans les yeux de Florence tout ce qui se passe par sa tête, tout ce qui se passe dans sa tête. En fait, d'abord il est en train de me quitter en public parce que c'est quelque part ce qu'il est en train de faire. Qu'est-ce qui va m'arriver, qu'est-ce qui va se passer, etc. Alors oui, peut-être elle aurait pu le révéler avec son corps. Bon là tout passe dans son regard en fait.
One more, and then we can stop.
Une question sur l'inspiration peut-être de peintres flamands. Il y a certains plans fixes qui sont vraiment des peintures. Je me demandais quel était vos peintres éventuellement qui avaient inspiré
But it's Flemish via Willem Hammershoy, who's a Danish artist who was painting in this period. And what I loved about his paintings, well, he loved Vermeer, for example, so he studied a lot of Vermeer's paintings. They weren't contemporaneous with each other, but he studied Vermeer. But Hammershoy's paintings are usually, most people probably know them, but they usually are like an empty room, very, very sparse, but they have a real beautiful light that comes through the window, sort of cold, clear, sort of Northern European light. And there's usually very little furniture in the room, and there's usually a central female character wearing black, and usually she's facing away from the viewer. And so that she doesn't have a face, and her face is hidden from the viewer. And I thought this was very interesting because actually the character that you see in the painting is robbed of personality. And I felt like actually this is what the men are doing to Catherine in the story.
This is Boris. I think it's time to stop.
I've got 2 minutes. I'll be very quick. But essentially, I thought that what was interesting in these paintings was that these women were robbed of personality in the same way the men in the film robbed Catherine's personality. And so we used those paintings as a real inspiration for our sort of composition.
Oui, tout à fait. J'aime beaucoup le peintre William Hammershoy qui s'est inspiré de Vermeer. Et j'ai toujours cette image d'un tableau flamand avec une lumière froide qui rentre par la fenêtre et un personnage en noir dont on ne voit pas le visage. Et c'est une image pour dire qu'on a volé la personnalité de Catherine et les hommes lui ont volé sa personnalité en fait. C'est comme une personne qui n'a plus de visage.
Thank you very much for coming to see the film. Can you please tell your friends to come on the 12th of April? The more people who come, the longer it stays in the cinema. I think that is true. Yeah. So please, thank you very much. Lovely to see you.